Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video we will find out the best free accounting for Canadian freelancers by comparing Wave versus ZipBooks. If you're looking for the best free accounting for Canadian freelancers in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into the ZipBooks has the brightest interface colors of the list. It seems trivial, but it helps navigating the menus and seeing data more clearly, adding to a user experience that's already very intuitive. Sometimes it's hard to get paid as a freelancer. You need to make the payment process as frictionless as possible for your clients, which is why having an invoice with all the necessary information on it is so important. ZipBooks Invoice Score rates your invoices on their completeness. ZipBooks also helps you get rid of the shoebox by allowing you to attach your receipts to your expenses, either via the web version or the mobile app. Your projects will also find a good place to live. You can track things like the project budget, hours logged/billed, and time entries. Time tracking happens right in the top menu, and you can associate time with a project right away or do it later. When you're reviewing your billable time, there's a calendar showing which time has been billed and which hasn't. If you usually forget billing time, this is a great way to ensure you get paid for everything you do. ZipBooks has a free plan available. Subscriptions start at $15/month. Wave has a friendly vibe, with rounded fonts and simple icons. The dashboard shows you a cash flow graph. The balances on your bank accounts, you have to integrate them with Wave, but they'll only pull transaction data, never push data or orders to your bank account, a set of links to common actions, and a profit and loss graph. If you're just starting out doing accounting for your freelance business, Wave has an ebook called Fearless Accounting with Wave. It's a really thorough piece on everything you need to know about accounting, using simple terms and lots of examples. Even if you don't choose Wave as your accounting app, you can still grab it here and have a read. As for the features, Wave disappoints in only two areas. You can't track your projects, and you can't track time using a timer. The only way Wave lets you log time is when you create an invoice and add it as one of the invoice items. Wave lets you attach your receipts to expenses, so you have everything in one place. Wave really is free bookkeeping software. This year, it introduced a paid plan at $16 per month that reduces the online payment fees, automates data entry, and unlocks unlimited receipt tracking. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.